How to fix Instagram Live option not showing. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Here, make sure the Instagram app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further in order to be able to use all the features that the app has to offer. Now, go back and open Instagram and see if the live option is available or not. If not, then you can also try to simply restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone clears temporary bugs or frozen permissions that might block the camera access. Next, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, try toggling off VPN or proxy services if you are connected to VPN or proxy apps. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in Settings again, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and then tap on the Offload app option you see there. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Next, in Settings again, tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Here, make sure the in-app permissions such as camera, microphone are enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable the toggle button for camera and microphone. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and open Instagram on your device. Now, if you are on a business or creator account, then sometimes the live option might be missing. So tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down and navigate to For Professionals tab, and then tap on the Business Tools and Controls option and further switch to Personal Account and see if that fixes your issue or not. And if it is still not fixed, then you can simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon again and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Log Out option you see there. Now, wait for a while and then log back in again, as a simple refresh can sometimes fix these type of problem. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram Live option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.